and live with another episode of Cooking in My Kitchen. Tonight we are going super simple, super quick. Gnocchi with pesto and some tomatoes, and then an arugula Caesar salad, some tomatoes, some Parmesan, and Caesar dressing. That's it. Very easy, very quick. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, the ingredients list here, we got some fresh gnocchi, a little bit of basil, and some pesto pre-made, a little bit of Parmesan that's going to go on that. That's that salad. Then we just have some arugula, which is bomb. These tomatoes, which we can use across both of them. And then just some Caesar dressing in jars. I like this stuff. So yeah, it's going to be good. First things first, get some water boiling. That's just going to happen in the background. And then we're going to start chopping these tomatoes up in halves, and we're also going to chop up this basil too. All right, tomatoes are chopped, and we got a little bit of dressing on this, so we'll put some tomatoes in there. I'm probably gonna chop a few more tomatoes for the pasta as well, and onto the basil. So we got the pesto. I'm warming up the pesto. Got a little steam there. Warming up the pesto. Throwing the tomatoes in the pan. I'm gonna throw some of this basil in there too, just let that warm up. Gnocchi is going in the pot. That goes in for 45 seconds. So not very long at all. And you just kind of boil that real quick. Doesn't take long at all. And then this is the sauce. This will be nice and warm. Salad is done. Throw some pepper. And cheese. Cheese, chop up. Yep. Alright, gnocchi is boiled. Sauce is stirred. Throw a little bit of cheese in there to mix it up. We'll throw a little bit of cheese in the salad, maybe some pepper, maybe some more cheese, who knows. And it's ready. And just like that, it is done. That's about 10 to 15 minutes before it's done. This is one option to serve it. You could also serve this family style if you wanted. It would be great that way with some bread and some wine. So yeah, you should try this out. And let's give it a quick taste test here too. Gnocchi's good, a little bit of cheese in there. The tomatoes are just a little bit cooked, just to take a little bit of that firmness out of them. Salad, of course, easy. It's a Caesar salad. Gnocchi, you don't want to overdo it. 45 seconds, just so they start floating up in the top. Drain it. And then I like to heat up my sauce. You don't have to, but if you heat up the sauce with the tomatoes, all that before you put it on, obviously, it makes for a hotter dish. So this is good. I'm going to have this with a little bit of red wine, and enjoy. Thanks for watching.